Once you have the tree, head to Smith Floral Company in West Hazelton for the perfect poinsettia and a chance to meet some very special guests. Lisa Sugart explains.
If you've been wondering where Santa's reindeer does their shopping, I have the solution. They do it at Smith Floral Company in West Hazelton, and I have proof because live reindeer will be at Smith Floral Company on Saturday, December 7th. It's part of their annual holiday open house. Jennifer Barnasevich is the owner of Smith Floral. You really have fun things happening at your store.
We do, and they are official live reindeer that are there from 11 to 3 on December 7th.
Now, you've been doing this for quite a few years, so there's really a good turnout. People love to see the reindeer.
Yes, everybody brings their camera, and you just really catch the holiday spirit.
So along with that, there's also going to be a special workshop.
Yes, we have Mrs. Smith's Christmas Workshop, where children, for a nominal fee, they will have centerpieces there, and they decorate them, and then they get to take them home and enjoy them for the holiday with their family.
So that's going on, but you also have other fun things happening as well, like door prizes and more.
Yes, we'll have door prizes available. We have refreshments. You can go through our greenhouses and see the poinsettias. Our showroom is all decorated. We've even had people take their holiday photos in the greenhouse with all the poinsettias.
Of course, you have all the great decor and everything, great gifts or great decorating ideas.
Yes, we have, hundreds of poinsettias, all the giftware, wreaths, and then also like your cemetery logs and other, so pretty much all things holiday and Christmas we have for you.
So if you would like to grab the family, your friends, everybody, come on out to Smith Floral Company for their holiday open house, Saturday, December 7th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Again, live reindeer. We can't emphasize that enough. Come on out on Saturday, December 7th, 11 till 3.